Hi Tony, I'm just going to go through each area of your store of your website here. So to log in, as I showed you, you just put wp-admin onto the end of the URL, and that'll change when we migrate. It'll just be ridgefurniture.com.au. Hit enter, and that'll bring us to the login page, and we put in our user details in there, and then so we'll go in, log in. That brings us to the dashboard. So that's the first section. Once you get to the dashboard, you can see all the areas that you'll need to look at. Now, there's really only there's really only three areas you really need to look at, and that is pages, which I've already done a video for you to show you, but I'll do a couple of other little bits and pieces in this. Gallery, which is another one that you need to add images and the likes, and products, which I showed you also, but I'll go through that in this video as well. So we'll start with products. If we click all products, we have the products that we've put in. Now to add a new product, I simply click add new, and I'll make this one test product 2. Now to add media to it, like to add the image, you go here to set feature image here, and we can choose an image that we want to put on there. So I'll just choose one of the other chairs, this chair here, and click set featured image, and that'll populate this little area there so you can see it's in there. We can categorize these as well, so we'll categorize this as a sofa, and if you want to make new categories, you just add a new product category here, and you'll be able to just add it that way. So we might have, I don't know what else. Actually, I'll just leave that for now. But that's all you do, is you do it in there and hit add product. You can put a hierarchy, so you might have different types of beds, different types of chairs that you can put at the top of it. Now, all we do is we put our details in here, and I'll just copy some text from your website. So I'll copy this from here just to put in. But you can type in whatever you want, like we discussed, what it was made out of, how many you made, etc. That sort of stuff. If you want to put a price on it, you can, and the product code and availability if you need to. And then just click publish, and that'll produce another slide on the first first page. And here we go. Do that again. Speaking of that issue, here's that product that I just put in there. If I click onto there, it will open onto that page, and there are the details of it. So it'll always put the last one we've done as the first slide on the home page, which is there. And that was the one we did yesterday when I was showing you. And you'll be able to slide through, and you see there it starts to repeat itself. That's the first slide that we had. So that's the first area to do. You can add as many or as little of those as you like. When we click onto our products, it'll bring you to now there's a question: do we want it to go to the process of your products, or do we want that to link to the product page? I think I'll change it for now to link into this product page, so people can choose to look at it that way. There. So that's the first area to look at, is products. The next one is pages, and I'll just show you a couple of things on pages so you get the idea of what you can do. I showed you how to add an image, and that was to click next to where you want the image, like here, go to add media, and from here you can choose to add from your computer or add from the your media file, which is here. This is stuff you've already loaded up. So we can add that on. At this point I can choose where I want it to align to the left. If I forget that though, I can go back in and edit it. So there's that in there now. Australian made. I'll remove that. So if you wanted to remove an image, you click on there. If you want to hyperlink an image, so you want it to go somewhere, all you do is you click on this little hyperlink text area here, and you put where you want it to go. So if I wanted to, let me go back to that. So just hopefully I hit the wrong button there. That's annoying. Okay, let me go back to it. Okay, so I'll go back into it and I'll do the same thing again. So click where I want it, add the image. I chose this here. I aligned it to the left, but this time I'll put none on there, hit insert, and you'll see that the image goes into the wrong spot now. It doesn't work, so I can click on there and edit the image here, and click left here, and that'll make the text wrap around it, just like that. Now if I want to hyperlink that, I can just go to here, and I can hyperlink that to any page. So let's say I wanted that to hyperlink to the gallery, for instance. I open up the gallery and I copy the link here at the top. So I'll just copy that and I'll put that into this area here. If I wanted that to open up into another page, so open up another tab, I would just click this button here and that would open up into another tab. So I'll update that for now, and I'll preview this page before I save it. Preview the page. Here it comes. You can see where I put the image, and if I click on that image, you'll see that it'll open up another tab, and it'll be the gallery tab here, like that. So that's pretty simple to do. That's one thing. Now I hyperlink the image in that case. I can hyperlink text just by sort of copying the text that I want to hyperlink, clicking on that again and putting in that link in here, and do exactly the same thing, add the link. You can see that it's changed to a hyperlink. So if I preview that again, it'll preview here, you'll see that that is now hyperlinked. And again, if I click that, it'll open into a new tab because that's what I clicked. So it's pretty simple to use, and again you just add and add text as you need it. So I won't save this because we don't need it, so I won't save that. I'll leave that be. The next thing I wanted to look at was the gallery, which I did show you yesterday. We'll leave the page, we'll go to the gallery. So I have one gallery with 16 images in it. If I wanted to add more images to that gallery, I click on add here, I choose the gallery, and then I add my files from my computer. So I would just choose whatever files I wanted from my computer. So if I wanted to choose, let's say, that logo there, I would just choose it. Once I've chosen that, you'll see it here. I then start the upload, and that will upload that image. So because it was a small image, it's already uploaded. Now, if I want to edit the gallery, I just go to Manage Galleries here, down there, click into the gallery, and you'll see here it's the image that I just put in. Now we will remove that because it has absolutely nothing to do with your site. So I'll remove that and click OK. And there we go. That is how to do that as well. Now if I want to sort the gallery out as in the order of things, you'll see next to the Save Change button you'll see Sort Gallery. I'll click on that, and then like I showed you yesterday, you can just drag these around wherever you want them and put them that way. Easy done, so very simple to do, and we can load up as many images as you want in that gallery. So that's the basic usage of your site on each area. So products, you know how to do. Again, you can delete products if you want, so we'll delete a product and we just do it this way. So we'll delete product 2, I'll hit trash. Now an interesting thing is it's not gone yet, it's just in trash here. So if I've made a mistake and I delete something by mistake, I can put it back, I can restore it back to the published posts again, or published products. So if I go back again, here it is, and I'll trash it again, and this time I'll empty my trash. So I will empty trash, remove the button. Hang on, not on trash, that's why. Click on the trash button, and there it is there, empty the trash. That's it. Hopefully that helps you to get around it, and you can play with it, and just send any changes that you need done. I hope that helps.